I forgot to take something out the freezer for dinner. This is how we're gonna fix that. It's 4:28. I have 30 minutes to thaw this out, so let's do this. I can just thaw your water and see. So I'm not worried about this powder. But this needs to thaw, girl, because if not, we can drink. This is gonna save you, okay? I'll check on it in 15 minutes and turn it, and hopefully it'll be done for dinner. It's 4:47. Yeah, I'm gonna flip them over. Dang, girl, they're still hard. I think they're getting there though. Ready to go. Look at this. Completely thawed. You can see the water dripping down from it. So I'm gonna chop it up.